Hey guys, my name is John Chu and welcome to Jumpin' and Dance. Today we're going to learn the moves from Bruno Mars' hit song, Finesse. I'm going to teach you the part that is in the chorus, the part where he goes,
We out here jumping finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here jumping finesse. You know it, you know.
You're going to start off on the side. You're going to start with your right foot. You're going to go right, left, okay? Bump, heel, 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 okay? I'm going to do that a little slower, and I'm going to do it with the feet only. You're going to go right, left, bump, heel, 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 okay? Back feet. You're going to go right, left, bump, heel, heel, heel. With the arms, you're going to go right, left, bump. So you're going to bring your left arm, and when I say bump, you bring it to your chest. Bump, bump, heel, heel, heel. Okay? Back view. You're going to go right, left, bump, heel, heel, heel. Okay, let's try it with the music. Go. Right, left, bump, heel, heel, heel. Let's move on, okay? So after you did your last heel, your arms are up here, okay? And you should go pose, looking in front of the audience now. So you should go pose, flick, pose, over, right, knee, out. You're going to go cross and cross. Let's do the reverse view. You just did your last heel. You're going to go pose, flick. I'm going to say right. Pose, over. Right, knee, cross and cross. All right, guys, let's try it from the top with the music. Go. Right, left, bump, heel, heel, heel. Pose, right, pose, over, right, knee, cross and cross. Let's do the reverse view. Okay, ready? Let's go. Right, left, bump, heel, heel. Pose, right, pose, over, right, knee, cross and cross. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you had a great time learning Bruno Mars' Finesse. If you enjoyed it, please like the video below and subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out more videos, teaching dances from artists like Michael Jackson and Justin Timberlake and others. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.